Finding down game or positively identifying a sound in the night have both gotten easier with the introduction of the Leupold LTO Tracker. Using state-of-the-art thermal technology, the LTO Tracker can spot a heat signature behind dense brush, differentiating it from the ambient air temperature and displaying it on the LCD screen. With 6 different selectable color filters, the LTO Tracker is usable in a variety of environments and temperatures, and can even be used in broad daylight because it registers heat instead of bouncing infrared light like most night vision devices. The LTO Tracker has a variable 6-time digital zoom that can be accessed quickly by simply pressing a button. A user-actuated reticle can be used for pinpointing your target. The handheld unit is compact and weighs just 7.4 ounces and is just 5.6 inches long and easily fits into a shirt pocket. The LTO Tracker is waterproof, so it can be used in the elements. It has a detection range of 600 yards and a 21-degree field of view. It will register temperatures from -40 up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and can operate in temperatures between -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1.22-inch diameter round 30 Hz fast frame LCD screen provides excellent optical clarity with 240 by 204 resolution, which is excellent for a thermal imager. It will run for up to 10 hours continuously on the included single lithium CR123 battery and shuts off after 15 minutes of inactivity to conserve battery life. The display will show the subject in red, green, white hot, black hot, or high white or high black with multicolored thermal highlights. The LTO Tracker is machined from aircraft aluminum for a durable outer housing and is covered by Leupold's 5-year electronic warranty. It is designed, machined, and assembled in the United States. Whether you're trying to find a wounded animal, tracking a fugitive, checking out that noise outside at night, or scouting hogs or coyotes at night where it is legal to do so, the LTO Tracker gives you a decided edge in finding heat-producing mammals in the dark or thick brush. It can also pick up a blood trail, helping you track and recover an animal. From sniping your buddy in a nighttime game of paintball to improving your situational awareness around your domain, the LTO Tracker has a multitude of uses. In areas where it's legal to use for hunting, the LTO Tracker can improve your ability to harvest and track your prey. Check out the Leupold LTO Tracker at your local Sportsman's Warehouse gift bar.